Today, we delve into the legacy of one of India's most significant strides in defense technology, the Akash missile. Developed indigenously by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, the Akash Missile System stands as a symbol of India's growing self-reliance in the field of advanced military defense systems. The word Akash means sky in Sanskrit. And true to its name, the Akash Missile System is designed to protect our skies. It is a medium-range surface-to-air missile system, developed as part of the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, a visionary project initiated in the 1980s under the leadership of the late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Alongside other missiles like Agni, Prithvi, Nag, and Trishul, the Akash project aimed to equip India with a robust and self-reliant missile defense capability. The Akash missile is capable of intercepting and destroying enemy aircraft, drones, and even cruise missiles within a range of around 25 to 30 kilometers, and at altitudes up to 18 kilometers. One of the most impressive features of Akash is its supersonic speed. It travels at nearly Mach 2.5, or about 2.5 times the speed of sound. This allows it to engage multiple aerial threats swiftly and effectively. Each missile is about 5.8 meters long and weighs around 720 kilograms, with a 55-kilogram high-explosive, pre-fragmented warhead. It uses a solid-fuel rocket motor, which offers both rapid acceleration and consistent flight performance. Moreover, its ramjet propulsion system allows it to maintain speed throughout its flight, unlike many other SAMs that slow down after burnout. The Akash system uses a Rajendra radar, a high-power multifunction phased array radar, for tracking and fire control. This radar can simultaneously track up to 64 targets and engage up to 12 of them, providing robust area defense for critical assets like airbases, industrial hubs, and command centers. Akash's guidance system combines both command guidance and active terminal homing, giving it high precision and low vulnerability to jamming. One of the key strengths of the Akash missile is its mobility. It is fully transportable and can be launched from platforms mounted on trucks or tracked vehicles, making it suitable for both static defense and dynamic battlefield scenarios. It has been integrated into the Indian Air Force, IAF, and Indian Army, with each having slightly different deployment configurations based on operational needs. The Akash missile system has undergone extensive testing and trials under diverse weather and operational conditions. Its success has validated India's capability to develop and deploy high-tech missile systems independently. The Indian Air Force first inducted the Akash system in 2009, and since then, it has continued to evolve. The newer version, Akash 1s, includes an indigenous seeker to improve accuracy, while Akashing, next generation, is under development to increase range and mobility, and reduce reaction time. The strategic value of the Akash missile system cannot be overstated. In today's era, air superiority often determines the outcome of conflicts. With growing threats in our neighborhood and increasing use of unmanned aerial vehicles and cruise missiles, the need for a robust air defense system is more critical than ever. Akash helps fill the gap between short-range shoulder-fired missiles and long-range systems like the Russian S-400. It provides a layered defense mechanism, forming an integral part of India's multi-tiered air defense strategy. Moreover, Akash symbolizes India's progress in defense technology and showcases our potential to not only build for self-defense, but also to become a reliable defense exporter. In fact, the Akash system has already garnered international interest. In recent years, countries such as the Philippines and Vietnam have shown interest in acquiring this system, and India has cleared the path for its export. Building upon the success of the original Akash missile, DRDO has also developed an upgraded version known as Akash NG, Next Generation. This version is lighter, has a better range of up to 70 kilometers, and is more accurate, with improved reaction time. It uses an active radar seeker, making it more autonomous in the terminal phase of its flight. The Akash NG is expected to replace older systems and form the core of India's future air defense needs, further enhancing our preparedness against evolving threats. To conclude, the Akash missile is not just a product of engineering excellence. It is a symbol of national pride, resilience, and innovation. It reinforces the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India in defense capabilities. As we look to the future, the Akash Missile System will continue to be a critical pillar in India's quest for a secure and sovereign nation.